Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in. I want to tell you a story. There was this young man walking down a street. He saw an older gentleman on a porch with a dog lying down beside him, but the dog was whining. It's kind of this whimpering sound. So the young man asked the old man, "What's going on here? Why is he crying?" And the old man said, "Actually, the dog is lying on a nail that's in the porch." And kind of confused, he said, "Well, why wouldn't the dog just move?" The old man explained, "You know what? He's uncomfortable with the nail, but not enough that he'll move." And I really like that story. It resonates. Today is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day. Very exciting. I'm actually walking down a nearby community in Streetsville, Mississauga. Just a beautiful day. But today is the day of love. But it's also it's the season where people who started a New Year's resolution have kind of given up. They've kind of said, "You know what? It's not worth it." And they've just settled. So I wanted to inspire you guys to not settle with your current circumstances, but move above them, and let's get moving, guys. It was only 7 months ago that we decided every single week to post a GTA real estate video on tips and tricks, and we're having a blast doing it. I encourage you guys to follow our journey on GTA real estate. We also post them on Watson Estates on YouTube, but we're having so much fun. It's great for business. People are learning, people are excited. And I encourage you guys to get that same attitude in your respective businesses. We'll see you next week with more tips and tricks. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Take care. Keep it real.